Today we're going to talk to you about the lost sheep file.
We did this drawing a while ago, but we forgot about it.
We did. We forgot about it. The other day I saw a video on my phone. I said, what is this? Two guys drawing a sheep. We got to edit this and get it out to the people. So this one's in our old studio, but it's still a pretty cool video. Thanks for watching.
Ba, ba. What's up, craft kids? Let's get into the drawing.
All right, kiddo. Let's draw these sheeps.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna draw some hair that resides on the top of his domicile. Okay?
Okay.
So it's like a cloud. That's how I describe it. It's like you're drawing a cloud, but it's really sheep's wool. Just like we were drawing a cloud in the sky, like that. Next, we're gonna draw a U shape, and it's gonna come out. It's gonna go like that.
Hey guys, if you have time, check out our video of the pig. Link in the description.
Okay, next, two eyes. Do an eye here, and another eye here. I'm just gonna color those right in black. And then next we're gonna do like its snout coming into its mouth. So it's gonna end up being like a U shape here and a split shape here. A split shape? What's that? It's a split shape. It's just a line. Okay, how about two ears? Whoa, I love his hair. This thing's awesome. I love it. Take your ears and come right out of there so it doesn't look as funny. Okay, so these ears are going to be like J shapes. That's like a J shape, and then it's like a reverse J shape. Okay, nice. Love it. I love how yours is coming along. The dude's like hasn't had a haircut in a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it though. It's great. Okay, next. We're gonna do the body. We want it to take up most of the page, but yours, there's no way. Yours can come way over here. Ready? It's gonna come right out of here. It's gonna be like a cloud again. It's a big sheep body. And end up coming right into its chin right there. So it's like a large cloud.
Hey guys, if you have time, check out our video of a duck. Linked in the description.
Awesome. Look at these sheeps, Landon. Cool. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the legs. How many legs does the sheep have?
4.
4. That's right, 4. The first leg is going to come from the back side. It's really just we're just going to do 2 lines straight down. We're going to make a rectangle, and then we're going to go straight across. Next, right next to that, this one is going to be the leg that's in the front. It's going to come down a little lower, but it's going to be the same process. See, now we have 2 little lamb legs. Okay, ready? The back, we're going to repeat the same process. So this one that's coming out of here, like around this area, is going to be the leg that's in behind. And so that's going to... I did that the wrong way. It's supposed to come all the way down and then go across, but that's one of the back legs, and then I'm just gonna immediately finish off the other back leg by doing something like that. All right, let's pop a tail on here and call it good, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so the back of the sheep gets a tail, just a C shape, backward C shape. Beautiful. These things are complete except for a little bit of coloring, which won't take long because it's one singular color that we're going to be using today, which is gray.
And
so
maybe a little bit of black for the hose.
Oh, we could do black. Yeah, we could we'll definitely color the hose in black. All right, we'll fast forward. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3.
Ba, ba, ba. We did some sheep today. These were fun, right, Landon?
Yeah,
Yeah, we were looking for something that was
pretty simple.
pretty simple to do, but yet fun. And so we certainly had a boatload of fun with these guys. So check these out. If you already didn't draw them, rewind this video and go ahead and draw. It's a lot of fun. Also, check out our playlist on cool animals and interesting insects.
Until we see you next time, keep
keep drawing,
stay awesome.